Do you need a new roof? Replace your roof with a trusted Firestone, Colorado roofing company. At Denny's Roofing, we take pride in providing high-quality roofs for homes and businesses in Firestone, Colorado. And we work hard to make it a stress-free process and remove the rough from the roofing replacement process. Denny's Roofing offers the best in expert roofing, customer-focused service, and expert insurance claim assistance. Whether it's a full roof replacement, standard roof repair, or if you just need some questions answered, we're here to help. Our experienced team is here to help you with your roofing needs, whether it's a new roof or a repair. No matter what kind of residential or commercial roofing job you need to be done right, from simple repairs to full roof replacement in Firestone, CO, we've got your back. But don't take our word for it. Try us out yourself by giving us a call and booking your appointment. Contact us at 970-275-4012 for a free roof inspection, free consultation, free estimate, or to schedule your service call. You can also visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/firestone-roofing-company. Your local Firestone, Colorado roofing company is here to serve you.